Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Easy Off Oven Cleaner. Start with the oven cool and empty. Lay down newspaper or paper towels to protect your floor from drips. Always wear rubber gloves and eye protection to keep yourself safe. Good ventilation is key, so open windows and doors to ensure fresh air circulates throughout your kitchen. This preparation takes just a few minutes but makes a big difference for a smooth and safe cleaning experience. Now let's apply the cleaner. First, shake the can vigorously for about 30 seconds. Hold it upright about 9 to 12 inches away from the oven's interior. Spray a light, even coat on all surfaces, but be sure to avoid the pilot light or heating elements. Once applied, close the oven door and let the powerful formula work its magic for the recommended time, usually 2 hours for light soil. Patience is key for the best results. Let the cleaner sit for the recommended time, which is usually 2 to 4 hours for average dirt. For really tough, baked-on grease, you can leave it for up to 6 hours or even overnight. Once the time is up, grab a damp cloth or sponge and start wiping away the loosened grime. Rinse your cloth often and keep wiping until all the residue is completely gone, revealing a much cleaner oven. To finish up, wipe the oven interior several times with a clean, damp cloth to ensure all cleaner is removed. For a sparkling, streak-free finish, follow up with a dry paper towel. If there's any lingering odor, simply run your oven on low heat, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 15 minutes. Remember, cleaning up spills quickly will save you a lot of effort in the future, keeping your oven looking great.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.